Alright guys, so we're almost at the bank where I'm selling the vehicle. So we're almost at the spa. Well, not the spa, we're almost at the bank where I'm selling the vehicle. We're literally 6 minutes out. And I got my homie Wilder, she's going with me so he could drive me back home. This is it. I just wanted to record the last bit with my car, driving at least. Whether I use this on YouTube or not, I'm not sure. I'm gonna make a whole different video explaining why I got rid of it. So I am less than a minute away from my final destination. I know I'm sounding so dramatic, but no, you know, it's bittersweet, you know, something that you've built from being bone stock from the bottom up, you know. It's just a different feeling, but again, it's just a new chapter, you know, something better, bigger and better things. Like I said, I'm not getting rid of it because I have to or because I need to. I'm getting rid of it because I want to. So yeah, I almost passed it up again. So we are turning in right now. Let me see if I see the guys. I don't see. But yeah. So that's that. I'm gonna go see where they're at. They're probably one of these cars right next to me. But yeah. Alright guys, it was fun while it lasted. It's the last ride, but time to head out, and I'm sure I'm gonna have to come back in and take all this stuff out of my car. So thank you guys for watching this video, if you stuck through the whole thing. Yeah, it's gonna be missed, but you know, like I said, on to bigger and better things. So yeah, stay tuned guys, but don't worry, you guys are still gonna see Mustang videos. Don't forget, I got my homie Wilder, she has the 5.0. I have other friends that have Ecoboost as well and 5.0, so there's still gonna be Mustangs on my channel. Don't think that there's not gonna be any. So if you unsubscribe, I mean, I understand, because you followed me for my car, but if you just enjoyed my content, I'd appreciate it if you guys stayed. So yeah guys, thank you for all the support that I've had throughout this build, from what I was able to show you. Like I said, on to bigger and better things. But this is not the last time you'll see Mustangs on my channel, and I can't wait to show you guys what I'm gonna get next. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks guys, I'm out.